Dear students, here we can see a circuit diagram of a 2-input TTL NAND gate. In the circuit diagram, the transistor Q1 is a multi-emitter transistor. Q2 is called phase splitter. Q3 and Q4 makes a totem pole arrangement. Diode D ensures that Q3 and Q4 do not conduct simultaneously. Transistor Q3 acts as an emitter follower. Diode D1 and D2 protect Q1 from being damaged by the negative spikes of the voltage at the input. We have two cases, that is when A equal to B equal to 1, that is both input is 1. Both base emitter junctions of Q1 are reverse biased, so no current flows to the emitters of Q1. The collector base junction of Q1 is forward biased, so a current flows through R1 to the base of Q2 and Q2 turns on. Current from Q2's emitter flows into the base of Q4. So Q4 is turned on. The collector current of Q2 drops down and Q3 turns off. Since Q4 is on, V0 is at its low level, so the output is a logic 0. If A or B or both are low, the corresponding base emitter junctions are forward biased and collector base junctions of Q1 is reverse biased. Base of Q1 is at 0.7 volt, which cannot forward bias the base emitter junction of Q2. Q2 turns off, Q4 does not get the base drive, so Q4 turns off. Q3 turns on, that is output voltage V0 equal to VCC minus VR2 minus VBE3 minus VD is equal to 3.4 to 3.8 volt, which is a logic high level. And we have two cases, that is when A equal to B equal to both are low. It is an AND gate and we get an output V0 equal to 1. And the next case is when A equal to B equal to 1 and the output V0 equal to 0. That is when A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, the output V0 equal to 1. And when A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, the output V0 equal to 1. And here is the working of a 2-input TTL NAND gate.